All right, Fernando. All right, you said, give me that info again. You said it was delivered when?
9:24.
Uh-huh.
And then they signed for it at 10:59 a.m. that day.
Okay. I mean, obviously delivered to the Spring location, right?
Yeah, the Texas store is saying they never, they're saying they never received it, but yeah, it was sent 1902 Interstate 45, Spring, Texas.
All right. Thank you. Like I said, you was the only one that pretty much actually cared about what was going on and
Called us back.
Yeah, and called us back and helped us out. So
I greatly appreciate that. I really do.
I'm gonna try to work with Jeff and see what he can get done over there, because I told him, I mean, even when the parts were shipping, that I wanted to make sure that whenever they got the parts that they weren't going to tell us that it was going to be like a month before they can even get us in to get it fixed. So
really?
I first called Spring and told them, hey, this is what's happening. They're going to be sending some parts over there. And they told me, it's like, oh my God, it's probably going to be even like a month before we can even look at you.
Oh, wow.
So that's when I told Jeff, what I just told you. I just want to make sure that they're not, going to tell me that, because if they are, I am not going to be a happy camper.
Literally.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Fernando, for all the information, and you've been awesome. And I'm definitely going to be sending these emails of the chain of command singing your praises. So
I greatly appreciate you.
all right. Thank you so much, Fernando. You've been great.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, we're going to call Jeff and let him know what's going on.
Your call may be recorded or monitored for quality assurance purposes.
Good.
Please call the General Corporate Office. This is Johnny.
Oh, hi, Jeff. This is Mrs. Adams. How are you? Hey, listen, I just got a call from Fernando, and he gave me an update. And he said that our parts were delivered on 9/24 of 21. The parts have already been there for 4 days, and the store or whoever it is, I mean, they don't know what's going on except for like you and Fernando. So I would definitely appreciate that, and I mean, as soon as they can get us in, the better. Okay. All right. Well, I will let you work on your end, whatever it is that you can do for us, and I'll just expect a phone call from you sometime here in the near future.
Yes, you will. Now that like I said, I just got this. I've already sent the email out. I am just waiting on the rest of my team to follow up with me, and we can get this knocked out.
Okay. All right. Great. Thank you so much, Jeff.
No problem. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. The corporate office supposedly escalated it to the regional, and he's gonna find out where our parts are and when we can get it fixed. So it's still hurry up and wait. Stay tuned.
For whatever reason they don't, obviously I would update you and let you know, but I can't imagine them not trying to help you out.
Oh, but you'd be surprised. I mean, just FYI, when I first called him and told Albuquerque, hey, the metal plate, it didn't work anymore because the Kissimmee location said that there was already structural damage to the plate because it was bent back into place and not replaced. They basically called me a liar and told me that it was probably my fault that the slide broke without even looking at it, and that at first they weren't going to cover anything until I basically confronted them and told them that we have a YouTube channel that caters to the RV community, and we had luckily had made a video of what happened, and I contacted them back and told them that I have video with them showing that the plate was not replaced, and also their tech on camera saying that all parts and labor were going to be covered. And even then they came back and told me that they were only going to cover 60% of the warranty. So I mean, if I wouldn't have taken a video for a YouTube channel, I would have been stuck with the repairs for myself, and either without a warranty or with them just covering 60% when they told me that all parts and labor were going to be covered. So, and I paid $10,000 in cash to get my rig fixed.
And I'm so sorry to hear that, I really am. But I can understand from your situation, going through that, having to fight for what pretty much is just needing to be done.
Right.
I can understand how you can feel that way. And again, I'm
apologize. You, besides one of the other techs in Florida, have been the only ones that like have apologized to me and say what you just said.
And like I said, we'll schedule an appointment probably for Saturday. If that's gonna work for you, that's okay.
Yeah, anytime. I'd appreciate if you could give me like maybe a day or two in advance, so that way I can get the RV ready. I'm willing to work with you, but like I told Albuquerque, you know, so I'm not looking to get anything for free or get anything extra. You know, I just want to get done what's right, and you know, if I have damage, I mean, which I probably do, for that, you know, they should be liable for that too, and take care of that.
Do you mind telling me what the year, make, and model of your unit is?
It's 2015 Alpha Gold by Lifestyle. It's 42-foot fifth wheel. What is the model number of our RV side hauler? What?
3905SH.
3905SH. It's a side hauler, actually. It's like one of a kind of thing. And also, to our demise, a year after we bought it, the manufacturer went out of business. Oh my gosh, yeah, you don't even. And then, you know, add insult to injury. You know, it's been like now 6 months because of, you know, New Mexico job that I don't even have access to. Pretty much, you know, most of my RV for months because, you know, the COVID and the parts.
And I would like at least for you to have one good experience here with Camping World.
Oh, believe me, I would like to have a good experience with Camping World too.
I've got you here for Saturday at 1 o'clock. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that's fine. Anytime that you can get me 1 o'clock is perfect. I wanted to personally say thank you. Like I said, you've been only the second person that has apologized for, you know, what's been going on, and that you're working with us, that we can have a good positive experience with Camping World that could possibly negate what's been happening. And I really appreciate you trying to get us in so quick and working with us.
No, not a problem at all. So we'll get this day. We'll get it going. I've got you on the schedule for this Saturday. It's going to be October 2nd at 1 o'clock, okay?
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so you heard it. Finally, we have an appointment for Saturday to take it in.